Types of computer. According to size and capacity, these are the following types of computers. First one is microcomputer. These computers are used by individual, thus also called PC or personal computer. These days, PCs are largely used for domestic and official purposes, etc. Second one is mini computer. This type of computer is comparatively larger than that of microcomputer. This is 5 to 50 times more powerful than that of microcomputer. Third one is mainframe computer. These are large size computer by time sharing and multitasking techniques. Many people, rather more than 100 people can work at a time on different terminals of this computer. Fourth one is supercomputer. These are very useful computers and have more storage capacity. These are most expensive and fastest computer able to process most complex jobs with very high speed. And the fifth one is quantum computer. The development of this type is final stage. Probably quantum computers will be more advanced than that of human brain. In quantum computers, qubit will be used in lieu of binary bits. Thank you.